Hi guys! Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to
K2M Unboxing and Reviews.
Hello, K2M.
Okay, so you may notice that we're in a different spot today, and that's because what we have here is the
Elgato Green Screen.
So this is a green or Chroma Key Panel, a green screen thing.
And it's foldable, so you can just collapse it and then it can open up again.
So
easily.
we need to come to this different area because this is this is too big and we would have to set it up over there. So this is a pretty simple box. You guys can see green screen over there and Elgato over here. So
and it's long too.
So collapse. This thing is 4 inches in height. And in length, it's 5 feet or 60 inches. So now let's open it up. So we opened up the green screen and
so there's a paper in here and it's a quick start guide. It says there's 4-step on opening it. So this, you take that out and then you open it and then it's like that.
So here you guys can see the green screen. So this on their website, it says it's 20 pounds. So I wouldn't say it's that portable, but it's technically portable. So I think we should now open it. There. And yeah, so that. And wait, this is all the way. Okay, so there it is. So the green screen is pretty solid. The color is very solid. So the good thing about this is now you can just easily like replace your background with something else. So while I'm editing this, I guess I can put some other background. So
this is pretty cool.
And it also says that it's wrinkle resistant, and this is 70 inches in height. So yeah, so this is also made out of polyester, and this is actually pretty cool.
And its color is like super.
So Ollie, let's. So I guess we have to turn it around after putting it down. How do we put it down?
How do we put it?
Putting it down is actually pretty simple. All you do is just press it.
Oh.
There.
Convenient.
So let's turn it around and
you guys can see it. It's like an X shape, and then you just put it and like it's like an X. It's super sturdy. Like it's an.
The easy part is like when you just have to push it. There's no latch or anything. There.
And then you just put it down, simply like that.
There.
So simple.
Very. And it's also very easy to just like tuck it in, and you can easily just like hide it somewhere after you're done using it. So this would be very helpful in, I don't know, maybe meetings and stuff, or putting it in your room.
So
turn it again. So this is the green screen. It's pretty cool.
So as you remember, in the beginning, there was marks on the wall. That was from Muaz when he was little. So
very good, Muaz.
Yeah, and so with this green screen,
they're all hidden. And if we really wanted to, we could just take a picture of a wall that's clean and put it here. I might have done that right now.
Yeah,
so,
in the edit.
Yes. So this is actually pretty cool. It's gonna be way easier to like change your background now. So I could be in Hawaii right now, I guess. For all you know. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to hit the like icon.
Bye.
Bye.